this is Tide. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cute mini album with pockets using only 3 sheets of 12 by 12 paper and the vellum also for the cover. So the first steps is to cut down to 20 centimeters the and the vellum, they really go well together. So I'm just setting them aside and I will continue with the inside of the mini album. So you will see I'm going to use strong double-sided tape to glue the back of the paper together to create pages but also pockets. So just follow the steps in the video. Now that we are all done with the inside of the mini album, let's create the cover. So I took the third paper and cut it down to 10 centimeters, and then I turn it around and cut it at 16.5 centimeters. So then to allow the paper to be folded easily when you close and open the mini album, I will make multiple score at 7.5 centimeters and then each 2 millimeters. The most important thing is that the front of the left side of the paper, is 7.5, and the right side is 7.5, and the middle portion is 1.5 centimeters. So I'm all done now. I will glue the mini album to the cover. Okay, now the mini is completely finished. As you can see, the cover is really pretty with this printed vellum. So you can open the mini album using the elastic. And then this is the inside of the mini album. I have simple pages, but I also have pockets like this one. So inside you can add cards or pictures or anything you'd like to keep. And I also have this kind of pocket where you can also store some photos. Here I have another pocket. Don't forget to decorate the back of your card, of course. And then on the last page I have another small pocket where I can add a picture. Well, we're all done. I hope you liked this video, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.